Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix age restriction in Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. To begin, launch the Discord application and either log in to your existing account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. And once you are logged in, navigate to your profile and click over on settings. In the settings menu, you will find various options such as settings to your status and managing your account. Look for the privacy and safety button, which will take you to the server settings where you can implement different security measures according to your preferences. However, the specific option you're seeking may not be available in this section. Additionally, you can visit the Discord website using the preferred web browser. You just have to search for Discord and make sure to log in with your account. And after logging in, the page will automatically redirect you to your Discord application. Alternatively, you can manually open these settings in the web browser. And once you're in settings, locate the privacy and safety option. Scroll down the page and you will find an option labeled Allow access to age restriction servers on iOS. Enabling this option will fix age restrictions. And that's how you can fix age restrictions over on Discord. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.